First two numbers on this little card, the ones in red, is going to tell us what size hold down you have. And I need to clarify, some people say that's what size tubing you have. Not necessarily. We can run 2 7/8 tubing with the 2 3/8 seat nipple. It's something we can do. It does happen all the time. So those first two numbers are going to tell you what size hold down your pump has, not necessarily what size tubing you have. 20 is, and pump guys and pump in general, we think of IDs, not ODs. So you'll see 20 means 2 3/8 or 2 inch, what we're going to call a 2 inch hold down. 25 is 2 7/8. And so on and so on. That's going to tell you what size hold down. The blue numbers is your pump bore. That's going to be 1 1/4 inch, 1 1/2 inch, 1 3/4, 2 inch, all the way up. And it's pretty easy. You can just imagine a decimal point after that 1 or that 2. 1.25 inch, 1 1/4, 1.5 inch, 1 1/2. That will tell you what size bore you have. The first letter right here is going to tell you if it's a rod pump or a tubing pump. R for rod pump, T for tubing pump. The next letter will tell you what type of barrel. The next letter tells you the location of your hold down. Then that last letter is going to be what type of hold down you have, whether it be a cup type or a mechanical. Where it gets confusing is our first number right here is your barrel length. And it's nominal feet. Now, API did just change this, I think less than a year ago. I think they're starting to go nominal inches. It hasn't been widely adopted yet, so we're all still talking nominal feet right now. At some point, it will change a little bit. The number after that is your plunger length, again, nominal feet. And then these last two spots are extensions. So let's say you have a 20-5-4. That's a 20-foot barrel with a 4-foot extension on top. That means you have a 24-foot pump. And again, the 5 in the middle would be how long your plunger is. You can have a bottom extension and a top extension. That's very uncommon anymore. But if you did, it would be like, say, a 20-5-2-2, which would still be a 24-foot pump. So you're going to add up barrel plus extensions.